guess I can't be that quiet because he's mowing the lawn. So hello, it's our Monday marriage moments minutes, and we're going to talk about when one spouse plans for things, you know what, and the other spouse has a headache, starts something, or is just not that into it like you planned. You know, frustration is when you have an expectation and it doesn't happen. So you get frustrated because your expectation doesn't go through. So that can be frustrating on many levels. When you've planned for sex, you've planned for a romantic night, and that doesn't happen. And this happens. A girl gets a monthly visit or a headache, for real, sickness, friends come over, kids get sick, you know, and what do you do? How do you deal with that? Because the other spouse can get frustrated, can get mean, can get irritated, and it kind of upsets everything. So what do you do? Well, guys don't have a kill switch, most guys. Women do. We can kind of be going along and all of a sudden our kid is crying and we instantly have to go and things are just done. And the guy's like, are you kidding me? So what do you do when all of a sudden plans get completely kiboshed? Well, there's a few things you can do. For starters, like we've said before, have grace. Have grace. Now, if this is like the third time in a month you've tried to do this and she's had a headache every time, I think that bodes a little bit of conversation. Like, hey babe, is there something going on? Maybe the kid's interrupted and now you're trying to get back in the mood, and if you're like me, I'm like, my mind is so not here right now. What do we do? I think the husband or the wife, depending on who it is, really needs to say, what can I do? What can I do to get you in the mood? Can I sit down and watch a Netflix show with you or a movie you wanted to see? Can I draw you a bath? Can I give you a massage with coconut oil? Coconut oil is amazing and healthy in all kinds of ways. You know, can I just spend a few minutes with you? What can I do? Speak the love language and try to get them back in the mood. Put the kids to bed. Feed the kids. Do different things. You know, maybe he's come home and maybe the wife is looking for a romantic evening and things are happening. Maybe he's like, I gotta mow the lawn, and then he's just exhausted, and I gotta get in the shower, and blah, blah, blah. And I had this romantic evening planned, and now it's all gone to pot. What do we do? Well, maybe he needs a cold beer, and just to chill out for a little bit. Maybe take the kids out for ice cream, and let him just have some quiet time. You know, there are different ways to do it, but I think the biggest thing here is grace. Because it's going to happen, especially if you have kids. Maybe you have parents living with you, aging parents. Maybe there's just things going on in life called life that happen. And when we constantly get frustrated and we constantly disbelieve our spouse, you just had a headache last week. Well, have a little bit of grace. Have some communication. Hey babe, seems like for the last 3 weeks, every time we've tried to have some intimate time here, you've had a headache. Is there something I'm doing wrong? Always look inward first before blaming the other person. Because it might not be them at all. Maybe it's you. Maybe you're coming on too strong. If you sit down on the couch and watch TV for an hour and have no interaction with your spouse, and all of a sudden, all right, woman, get in the bedroom, let's go. That's not romantic. What is it for them? You know? And now the lawn, right, Timmy? That's it. So that's why we did this, because he's got to mow the lawn. Because it's supposed to rain this week, so who knows? We'll see what happens. But you never know. You never know what might happen. But
hey, we're gonna do our video now?
I already did it.
Figures.
See? I'm gonna have some grace. And he should too.